right, we're still in Walmart, you guys, and we are in the electronics game section. So right now we're at the PlayStation section, and they have a bunch of video games on sale. And you guys know we got a couple months till Christmas. The first game is The Torment, and it's for the PS4. And I'm gonna go really fast, you guys, because they got a lot of games. Regular price was $19.93 down to $5. And the next one we have is Unbox, Newbies Adventure. I have no clue what this is, but I'm definitely getting this for my kids. It went from $19.93 down to $4. And again, this is Unbox. You have this Rigs, and it's for the PS4. Regular price $19.93 down to $5. Anything else? Wolfenstein 2. Look at that, you guys. It went from $33.84 down to $5. We definitely gotta get that one. They have the NHL. Is that an L?
Yeah.
Okay, I know nothing about sports, but NHL 18 it looks like, and it's on sale for $11. Let's see. Fallout 4, and I don't see a regular price, but it's on sale for $7. You got this one on sale for $15. Anything else? Okay, on the PS3, we have Doom 3, and it was $12.88 down to $5. Tales from the Borderlands for the PS3, it was $19.93 down to $5. Okay, and then we have The Evil Within 2 for the PS4. It was $21 down to $5. Again, this is the perfect time to do your Christmas shopping. Don't wait for Black Friday. Do it right now. All right, so we're going to go over here and let's see. All right, we have the PS4. This is the NBA Live 8. Is that 18 or 19?
It looks like 19.
Is it 19?
I don't know.
The bar is blocking it, you guys. I'm not sure if it's 18 or 19. If you guys know, put it in the comments, but it went from $11 to $7. All right, we got this one right here on the PS4. It was $29.88. Ooh, that was expensive. All the way down to $4, you guys. We have this Darksiders. It looks like part 3. It was $19.93 down to $5. Let's see what else. I cannot read that. Dissidia? Oh, the words are so fancy. All right, so this one went from $19.93 down to $4. You have the Hacker's Memory on a PS4. It went from $19.93 down to $4. That looks like a good one. Okay, we're definitely getting this one. NASCAR Heat. Is that 3? Yep. You got the bar blocking it. Okay. We think it's NASCAR Heat 3, you guys, and it went from $19.93 all the way down to $5. Another Fallout for $7. All right. I wish this was on sale. All right. So we have this. Is that wrestling?
Yeah.
Okay, we got this wrestling game up here, you guys. Sorry about the glare, but it's inside the glass. It was $19.93 down to $5, so we're definitely getting that one.
That's gonna be a good one.
Yeah, you got the Deer Hunter on the PS4, $7. Dragon Quest Heroes Part 2. This one went from $19.93 down to $4. All right, let's see. Anything else? All right, here's Destiny 2 Forsaken. It was $33.84, and it's down to $10. And oh, look at this. Grand Theft Auto 5. Looks like this is the PS3. So this is only $4, you guys.
Still got this one.
All right, so let's see what else we can find. We're gonna still look around. We're gonna check to see if we can find any more games. All right, right now we're in the Nintendo section, and you guys can see there's a bunch of games here. But we're just gonna show you the clearance one. So you got this, I think it's Yokai Watch 2, and it looks like it's Bony Spirits. This one's only $15. I don't know what this is. Some kind of fitness Nintendo DS for men. It's down to $5. You got this Imagine Babies for 15 bucks. Oh, look at this one. This is Mario and Luigi. I don't know what I can't see. Bowser's Inside Story and Bowser Jr.'s Journey. So this was $32.84 down to $15. Look at that, 15 bucks, you guys. You guys have to run because Christmas is right around the corner. You got this Codename Steam, and I think we showed this in a prior video. It's still only $1. So if you guys didn't get it at $1, it's not too late. Oh, I thought that was Indiana Jones. What is this? LA something. We can't see because that bar is in the way, but it was $29.83 down to $15. Let's see. Okay, what is that? Nino Kuni? Nino Kuni, we think. It was $29.83 down to $10. And this is for the Nintendo Switch. We have this is a pinball. Alright, so this is Star Wars Pinball. And this is also for Nintendo Switch. It was $19.93 to $13. We'll probably wait for that one to go down. They also have this Detective Pikachu for Nintendo 3DS. So again, Detective Pikachu, Pokemon. It was $32.84 down to 20 bucks. And we're gonna see what else we can find. All right, up next we have the Killer Queen Black. I have no clue what this is, but it's only 11 bucks. And it's on the Nintendo Switch. And it also includes a controller skin. So I'm gonna try to get as close as possible so you guys can see. Again, it comes with the skin. What's the skin?
Like a sticker for the controller.
Oh, for the controller. You guys, I don't play video games. So this one again is $11. And let's see what else we can find for you guys. All right, we're at the Xbox section, so let's see. All right, they have the NHL 18. It was $29.83 down to $7. Sorry about the glare again. Let's see. Anything else? All right, we got these down here. Oh, look at this, Manny. Hello Neighbor. My son plays this all the time. So these are for the Xbox One. And this is Hello Neighbor. It was $19.93 down to $5. That's a great price and a great game. You got this Destiny 2 Forsaken. Look at the regular price on this. The regular price was $59.88 down to $5. We gotta check that one out. All right, so I'm gonna come down here, and you guys, I'm close to the floor, so I'm scooting. This is Mass Effect, and this was $19.93 down to $5. You got the NHL 19. That's a newer one, right? So the one, they had the 18 up here, and this is the 19. And I believe this is hockey. I don't know, I don't play. It says 4K on here, and it was $29.83 down to $5. That's a great price. We Happy Few. It went from $19.93 down to $5. And I think we've seen that one before. Oh, look at this one. NBA 2K19. Oh man, that's a good one. This was $19.93, you guys, and it went all the way down to $5. You guys have to run to Walmart and let us know below if you guys score. Oh, they got Conan.
That's a cool one.
I used to watch this when I was little. Am I aging myself?
Yep.
I used to watch Conan with Arnold Schwarzenegger. Me and my brother, when we were small, we used to love that movie. But Conan, this is Day 1 edition. It went from $19.93 all the way down to $5. You guys cannot beat this price. Video games between $4. Matter of fact, video games between $1 to $5. And you got this, what is this? I can't see. Wolfenstein?
Yeah, that Wolfenstein.
Okay, this is Wolfenstein 2. Sorry, they put the sticker over the name. It was $33.84 down to $5. $5. Let me see if I can find anything else over here. And sorry, you guys, I am out of breath. There's Rage 2 on the Xbox One. It was about $50 down to $20. The Surge 2. Wow, look at the regular price. $49.94, you guys, down to $5. And look, there's nobody here. So we got this whole section to ourselves. So we're definitely grabbing some of these games for our kids. Is that Torment? I don't know. It's the stickers over it again, you guys. But it says Day 1 edition. And this was $19.93 down to $5. Let's see. Anything else? Oh, all the way back here. All right. I'm going to come down to the floor again, you guys. All right. So this is, let me try to get close. Tennis World Tour on the Xbox One. I'm going to try to get as close as possible. Sorry, you guys. They have the glass right here. And the regular price, I think it's $29.83 all the way down to $5. What's this one say? F? What is that? F?
F. Lightning ball?
Formula?
Oh, Formula One.
Okay, Formula One 2016. I believe this is a racing game. You guys, I don't play video games. You guys can tell. I'm just showing you guys the deals. This was $19.93 down to $9. Let me try to get closer. And I think that is it. I think we ran through all the clearance. But the next time you guys are at Walmart, make sure you go to the electronics section where the video games are at, because they have a ton of video games on clearance. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you subscribe so you guys won't miss none of the deals. And make sure you guys click on that notification bell. Bye. All right, so we are in the car right now, and we wanted to just show you what games we ended up with. These games were such a good price, right?
Can't beat it.
You can't beat it. So we wanted to actually show you guys what we got. So we end up getting the Unbox Newbies Adventure. We have no clue what these are, but for the price, we're praying that our kids like them. And they'll probably like them. They like all these little games. So we paid $4 for this one. And we can now show you the UPCs of a couple of them that we showed, because we couldn't show them all because they were in the glass. So this one again was $4. Here's the UPC. Hold that. All right, we end up getting the Darksiders 3, which again, we have no clue what this is. We paid $5. It was about $20 regular price. There is a UPC for this one for $5. Here's what it looks like. All right. And look how pretty it is. You got the sunset over here. Oh, look how pretty. All right, so I think my husband's going to love this. It's the 2K19 PS4 wrestling.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah.
That's for you, right?
Probably. Hopefully I still know some of the wrestlers in it. But
No, these are like new wrestlers. Should we age ourselves? I used to watch wrestling when they had Brutus the Barber Beefcake, Ultimate Warrior,
that's when it was good.
Honky Tonk Man. Remember Jake the Snake? I'm aging myself. All right, so we paid $5 for this one, and let me show you the UPC. There you guys go. All right, the next one we end up getting is Ridge. I have no clue what this is. It says PlayStation VR. What's that?
Virtual reality.
Okay, I have no clue, but we only paid $5, which is a great price. T for teens. And here's the UPC.
That's like the system we looked at today.
I don't know, for $5, I'll take it. All right, the next one we got was NASCAR Heat 3. And I guess they're all going to be driving these cars. We paid $5 for this. $5, you guys. You cannot beat this. I'm actually going to wrap all these up and put them underneath the Christmas tree. There's a UPC for the NASCAR. Oh, look at the back. Look at the cars. See it? All right. Next one. I got this one for my daughter. This is Hacker's Memory. It looks like some kind of anime, and she loves anime. This one was only $4. And let me show you the UPC. Again, this one's $4. And this is what the back looks like. You can't go wrong. I mean, these are great prices. We got this one for our daughter too. This is Fallout 4 GOTY. I have no clue what this is.
Greatest.
I don't know. I'm not even gonna guess. Let us know in the comments. I have no clue what this game is, but we paid $7.
I think it says it there. Game of the year.
I guess. Game of the Year edition. All right, so we paid $7. Regular price was $39.82, so about $40, and we paid $7. And here's the UPC. And I guess this is what the game looks like. Man, look like the whole world exploded. Look at that. All right, next one we got. This is Dragon Quest Heroes. Looks like Dragon Quest Heroes 2. And original price was about $20. We only paid $4. Only on Angel on the Go. All right. There's the UPC. And this is what the back of the box looks like. I don't know if this is a fighting game, probably. All right. And the last one we got was this, was it Wolfenstein? All right, part 2. And this is for, I think all the things we got are PS4s.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got all PS4s. We only paid $5 for this, and the original price was about $34, $33.84. Here's the UPC. Sorry, it got dark. We went underneath the bridge. Hold on a second. All right, there we go. So here's the UPC, and these are the games that we end up getting so far. So you're going to be helping me wrap this year because we got a lot of stuff for Christmas.
Well, you can wrap all of that, but the wrestling, I think I'm taking now. So.
You're not taking this now. This is from Santa.
I don't think so. I think I need that wrestling right now.
You helping me wrap.
Sure.
All right, I'm going to take your word that you're going to help me wrap. All right, and are we finally done with Christmas?
I think we was done like 10 shopping sprees ago. So.
I think we were done 5 months ago. Okay, we're not going out again and getting any Christmas items for anybody in our family. I think we got all that covered. We're concentrating right now on selling fourth quarter. So we're going to try to put out as many videos as we can, but we're going to be listing because this is our busiest time.
Busy.
So thanks again, you guys, for watching. Let us know what games you guys score, and make sure you hit that notification bell. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and like this video.